Hi friends, this is Engineer Imran Aziz coming today with another video of my video series on building construction and building services. We already discussed the part 1 of this video, and now we are here with another 25 MCQs questions along with their explanations and supplementary notes on the same topic. So welcome to my channel CivTech Simplified, and we will be highlighting the correct answers in yellow color so that you should take note of that. And if you have any comments or any suggestions to improve the content or relating to what we present, you can always mention that in the comment box, or you can reach out to us at civtechsimplified@gmail.com. These lectures are available at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok account with the same nomenclature, CivTech Simplified. So let's move to the topic. Let's get started. So we already discussed question number 1 to question number 25 in the last video. And now it is part 2, so it's starting from question number 26. Our first question for today is queen closer may be placed. Options available with us are A, in header course, B, in stretcher course, C, in header course next to first brick, in stretcher course next to first brick, E, in any position. So queen closer, we all are familiar that it is placed in header course, but it is next to the first brick. You can learn in the picture here. You see, this is a picture of English font. We already discussed this in the last video as well. And you can see that queen closer has been placed next to the first brick in alternate courses, in the header courses. The longitudinal are the stretcher courses, and these perpendicular are the header courses, but the queen closer has been placed next to the first brick in the header course. Let's move on to second question for today. Dadu is usually provided in number A, dining hall, number B, bathrooms or kitchens, number C, living rooms, number D, veranda, number E, roofs. So dadu is usually provided in normally it's provided in bathrooms, but we also provided it in the kitchen. So what is basically dadu tiles? These are a type of tile or type of wall treatment, you can say, specifically designed for interior walls, usually in the kitchen and bathrooms. The function of them is to protect the wall from moisture, especially in the washrooms, and give a presenting appearance of the wall. The function as a protective layer, protecting the wall against moisture, stains, and heat damages, like especially in the kitchen when there is a cooking range and its heat gonna transfer on the wall. So to protect the wall, we provide a layer of the tiles in between the countertop of the kitchen as well as the top cabinets. So you all have scenes in your houses that there is a normally 2.5 feet or maybe 3 feet layer between countertop and the top cabinets in the kitchen. So that layer of the tiles is called dadu tiles, and it is also provided in the toilets as well. As you can see here in the pictures on our left side, these tiles have been placed at after the skirting level. They have been placed up till 2.5 or 3 feet height, whatever is needed. And then on the right side, there is a picture of the kitchen where you can always see these tiles. So, purpose of providing these tiles, I already explained, to stop the moisture and stains and heat content in the kitchen. So we provide such type of tiles in washrooms as well as in kitchens. Question 28. The foundation in which a cantilever beam is provided to join two footings is known as. So types of the foundation you already both most of you would be familiar. But if you need more explanation, you can always refer to CivTech Simplified. We have previously covered all these topics like types of footings, foundation, stability of the structures, loads in the structures, various tests which we perform in the lab as well as on site, destructive tests, non-destructive tests. All these have already been explained in our previous videos, and you can always refer to that material for the understanding purpose. But here for this question, I have also placed few pictures for your understanding. You can see in the bottom layer here, it is the footing, and then in the middle of the footing, it is a column. So in between two columns and the footings, there is a beam, and that beam is called a strap beam. So this footing is also called a strap footing, in which two columns or foundations have been joined with the help of a cantilever beam. So that type of foundation is called strap footing. So option B is correct for this question. Question number 29. The foundations are placed below ground level to increase. Why we dig or excavate for foundations? Normally, it's a common principle that it depends on the load of the structure or the height of the structure. So, depending on that, the depth of the foundation, designers design that depth of the foundation. Normally, there are broadly two types of foundation. One is called shallow foundation, the other is deep foundation. Deep foundation is that foundation. If we say the definition, it's about 10 feet. If it is 10 feet deep or 3 meter deep from the existing ground level, so that type of foundation comes under deep foundation. But if the foundation depth is less than 10 feet or less than 3 meter, so it comes under the category of shallow foundation. Now, various types of foundation can be, but broadly there are two types of foundations with respect to their depth below the ground level. So the foundation which are placed deeply, they behave like more stable, and from stability point of view, these foundations are excavated and provided below the existing ground level. So as I previously mentioned, that we have already covered this topic in detail. You can also refer to CivTech Simplified uh, stability video, structure stability video, in which we have broadly covered all types of foundations and their stabilities and factor of safety, etc. So why the name of that video is, I think, why structures fail. So you can refer to that video as well. I will put the link of that video in the description below. You can refer to that. So here option number C is correct. To get the stability of the structure, we place them below the ground level. We place the foundations below the ground level. Question number 30. In case of remnant piles, number A, length vary from 6 meter to 12 meter. Number B, diameter of top of the pile varies from 40 centimeter to 60 centimeter. Diameter of pile at bottom varies from 20 to 28 centimeter. Number D, thickness of outer shell depends upon the pile diameter. So all these conditions are correct with regards to remnant pile. You can refer to the text material. So option number E, all of the above, is correct for this question. Question number 31. Studs. Now, what is studs? We will explain in the next slide. Studs of a common wooden partition. Number A are vertical wooden members. Number B is the upper horizontal wooden member. C is the lower horizontal wooden member. D are the intermediate horizontal wooden members. So we know that studs are vertically placed wooden members in a wooden structure or wooden partition. So option A for this question is correct. I will show you the idea of what is studs basically. On picture on our left side, and there is a wooden frame, and in that wooden frame, if you see the horizontal one is called the head, and the vertical frame partition is the vertical member of the partition is studs. So these are the noggings which we discussed in the last video, part one. These are the nogging just to retain the fillers inside the frame, and studs are always like vertically provided members in a wooden frame. You can have an idea of the studs in our picture on our right side. Width and height have been shown, but those may vary with respect to the frame stability and strength. So I hope you are clear on studs. Number 32. The height of a door should not be less than. Look, the height of the door should not be normally, it is, we keep the doors normally 6 to 7 feet. Standard height is 7 feet, but yes, 6 feet doors we also we can provide as per the requirement of the site. But normally the standard size of the door is always 2 meter or 7 feet. Options available with us were number A 1 to 1.5, 1.2 meter, 1.3 meter to 1.4 meter, C 1.8 to 2 meter, number D 2 to 2.3 meter. So 1.8 to 2 meter is the standard provision for the door height. 33. The width of the door should be such that it ensures the passing of two people walking dash through that door. Yeah, the width should be so at least should allow the passing of two persons shoulder to shoulder from that door. So that should be the minimum width of the door. Number A head to head, number B shoulder to shoulder, C toe to toe, D head to hand to hand. So option B is shoulder to shoulder. This is the clear answer for this correct answer for this question number 33. The width of the door should be such that it ensures the passing of two people walking shoulder to shoulder through that door. Question number 34. What is minimum diameter of pipe used for the drainage of wastewater? So for wastewater, which is the minimum diameter recommended? Either option A is 50 mm, option B is 75 mm, option C is 100 mm, option D is 105 mm. So option B is correct for this question, which is 75 mm or 3 inches. So a minimum size of a pipe is recommended to be at least 3 inches or 75 mm for the wastewater drainage. Question number 35. This is also in the waste materials, and a question is dash is used to clean blockage in the line, waste line. Dash is used to clean the blockage in the waste line. Number A, lateral chamber, main, number B, main chamber, C, inspection chamber, D, sewer chamber. Yes, inspection chambers are the chambers which are used to clean blockage in the line. We provide at a decent distance. Inspection chambers are the main holes, and from that chamber, the workers, sanitary workers, go and inspect the line and start cleaning process from that chamber. So that is the start point to start the cleaning process. As you can see in the picture, a sanitary worker is cleaning the blockage through the inspection chamber. So these are normally provided in the sewer line. Question number 36. Dash should not be placed near water body. What should not be placed near water body? Number A, power generator. Number B, socket pit. Number C, pump stations. Number D, houses. So, socket pit should not be provided near the water body. I have placed few pictures of the socket pit to give you an idea that what is this. Socket pit basically is provided in the area where there is no communal or municipal drainage services. So we provide socket pit after the septic tank. First, there would be a small manhole, then septic tank, and then at the end of the septic tank, at some 3 to 4 feet interval, it will be a socket pit. Maybe it depends on the size of the washrooms, number of washrooms. It may be two, three, or one, but it is provided after the manhole just to make the final disposal of the sewage. So it is normally provided with bricks, and these are with the openings, and purpose is to soak that material into the soil. So that's why it should not be provided near a borehole or near a water body, or the water source where we are getting the drinkable water, because the soil has got contaminated around that socket pit. This is the basically rough idea behind this question. Then we have 37. The 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter side of a brick as seen in the wall face is generally known as stretcher, face, front, header, or side. So what is the terminology used to represent the 9 centimeter into 9 centimeter side of a brick as seen in the wall face? So from this picture, you can see that it would be a header. Header in the first course is the header course, and then there is a stretcher course, and followed by the similar pattern. So you can see 9 by 9 centimeter side is visible only in the header course, not in the stretcher course. So option D for this question is correct, which is header. Question 28. The taper of precast concrete pile should not be more than, taper mean reducing the diameter of the pile uh, towards the conical edge from the top to the bottom. So that tapering should not, the question is that should not be more than. What should be the standard size, standard provisions for tapering of a precast concrete pile? Options available with us are: number A, 1 centimeter per meter length; 2 centimeter per meter length; 4 centimeter per meter length; 5 centimeter per meter length. So as a thumb rule, we normally take it 2 centimeter per meter length of the pile. So if a pile has like 10 feet total, or 20 feet length, so after 1 feet, sorry, in the meter, if a pile is 20 meter long, and after 1 meter, it should be reduced to 2 centimeter, not more than that. The diameter should be reduced by 2 centimeter. Question number 39. The undersurface of an arc is called: number A, soffit; number B, intrados; number C, arch; number B, D, back. So soffit is basically the inner side of an arch or the roofing structure. We have placed a picture for the roofing structure, which shows the front side as a fascia board, and the underside of that is soffit. The soffit is always the inner or the under surface of an arc. Question number 40. It is again related to the foundation type, which is the raft. The raft slab is projected beyond the outer wall of the structure by. So you must have seen the raft foundation. Normally designers give some projections after the column or after the outer edge of the wall to the raft slab just to maintain its stability. So question is that how much should that raft slab be projected beyond the outer wall of the structure? Options available with us are number A 5 to 10 centimeter, B 15 to 20 centimeter, C 25 to 30 centimeter, D 30 to 45 centimeter, and E 60 centimeter. So option D is correct for this question, which is 30 to 45 centimeter. We normally give 1 feet to, you can say 1 feet to 1.5 feet projection to the raft foundation after the wall, exterior wall. Question number 41. The process of making the background rough before plastering. Normally, you must have seen in your houses or on your construction sites that the masons do a rough work on the wall before applying the plastering or before applying the mortar. So that roughing of the wall it has a engineering terminology or the nomenclature or name. So what is that? Number A, dubbing. Number B, hacking. Number C, blistering. Number D, peeling. So the process of making the background rough before plastering is called hacking. So this is called hacking. It can be done with various methods. So you can see in the picture one of them. Number 42. This is very common question. I personally came across various times this question in various exams. That is, black cotton soil is unsuitable for foundation because it's because of its number A, bearing capacity is low. Number B, permeability is uncertain. Number C, particles are cohesive. Number D, property to undergo a volumetric change due to variation of moisture. So, black cotton soil is associated with the moisture content and it undergoes various volumetric changes. That's why designer don't recommend this kind of soil for the foundations backfill and other providing the foundations. So they do the special treatments where they come across black cotton soil. So option D for this question is correct. Its property to undergo volumetric changes due to variation of moisture. 43. The loose pockets in soil mass can be bridged safely by providing a raft foundation, provided the soft area is smaller than the number A, the column spacing, number B, 1/3 of the column spacing, number C, half of the column spacing, number D, 3/4 of the column spacing, number E, none of these. So yes, 1/3 of the column spacing is minimum needed in order to rectify that area with the help of a raft foundation. Uh, so option B is correct for this question. 44. This is also a very common question. The portion of brick cut across the width is called. So this question may come in two ways. Normally, it can either come in this way, which is presented, and I will show later the second way as well. The portion of a brick cut across the width is called dash. Number A, closer. Number B, half brick. Number C, bed. Number D, bat. So yes, it is bat. Bat is always cut across the width of the brick. So normally I have shown the picture. The left one, top left one is whole brick, you can see, and then half bat. Half bat is cut across the width. And then on our left, lower left picture, it is queen closer. So yes, my explanation earlier was relating to this, that this question can come otherwise, like it can be said that a portion of brick cut across the length is called. So once it is cut across the length, so it will be a queen closer. And once it is cut across the width, it will be a bat. So three-quarter bat is also shown in the top lower right picture. So this picture will give you an idea that what is half bat and what is three-quarter bat and what is queen closer. Question number 45. The concrete slump recommended for beams and slabs. How much slump should be given for should be recommended for beams and slabs? For slumps, or the tests recommended for concreting, have already been discussed in our previous videos. You can refer to the types of tests for concreting in my previous videos. That is there on TikTok, that is also there on YouTube channel, on Facebook. You can refer to them, and that has a lot of material which can be seen and which can be quickly digested as well. So options available for this question are: number A, 25 to 50 mm, 25 to 75 mm, 30 to 125 mm, 50 to 100 mm, and none of these. 25 mm means 1 inch, so it is C, 30 to 125 millimeter. So this is the range normally recommended for beam and slab for the slump test. Slump, we already know that it is a test to know or judge the workability of the concrete. Uh, so you can, as I say, you can refer to my previous video for details. 46. The member which is placed horizontally to support common rafter of a sloping roof is, you must have encountered or must have at least read about the uh, sloping roofs. It is normally given in the or designed in the areas where snowfall uh, is expected. So that type of roof is given in that structures where we are expecting that snowfall will happen in this area. So that sloping roof has various components, and the question with us is that member which placed horizontally to support the rafter is called number A, purlin, number B, cleat, number C, batten, number D, strut. So answer for this question is purlin. You can see on our right side, this has been explained. These major members, the larger members are called rafters, and to support those rafters, we provide roof purlins, and on top of that roof purlins, then the filling material is placed. So question number 47. While designing a stair, the product of rise and going is approximately kept equal to number A, 350, 420, 450, 500, or 600. Yes, it is 420. The product of a rise, total rise from ground to the top of the floor, like from one floor to the other floor. This distance is called rise, and the horizontal distance to cover this is called going or go. So the product of both of these should be 420. Question number 48. The pile which is provided with a bulb filled with concrete at its lower end is known as number A. Simplex pile, MacArthur pile, Raymond pile, Frankie pile, none of these. Yes, it is MacArthur pile. In MacArthur piles, we give a concrete bulb at the bottom, just like a bulb, to transfer the load at the underneath side. So that type of pile is called MacArthur pile. Number 49, in case of multi-story building, the forms to be removed first are, this is also a common question, number A, sides of beams and girders. Which formwork should be removed first? Question is, in multi-story building, which formwork should be removed first? Number A, sides of beams and girders. Number B, column formwork. Number C, bottom of beam and girder. Number D, all of the above. Yes, A is correct for this question. We remove the formwork of beam and girder from the sides first. We don't remove the bottom formwork or the column formwork first. Question number 50. The entrained concrete is used in lining wall and roof for making number A, heat insulated. Number B, sound insulated. Number C, neither A nor B. Number D, A and B. Yes, the entrained concrete is used uh, in lining and roofs for making it heat insulated and sound insulated. So option A is correct, B is correct. So here we have an option D which says that both A and B. So we will take option D as correct. Here I have also given the explanation of the entrained concrete. Air entrained concrete is an ordinary concrete having added air bubbles entered intentionally in it. Air entrained concrete has less strength but also has less weight than ordinary concrete. Just to make the roof heat insulated and sound insulated, we enter the air bubbles inside the concrete, and that concrete is called entrained concrete. It has less strength, but of course it has less weight as well. So that's all for the today's part. It was question from 26 to 50. So I will try to make other parts on this topic as well, because this topic is very much important with respect to the exam. Normally we see at least 8 to 10 questions within this topic. So that's all for today's part. As I mentioned earlier, we again request to follow our channel and subscribe it. It's CivTech Simplified and available at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. So that you could get more interesting and knowledgeable videos. And these videos are basically targeting the professional engineers, fresh engineers, and people who are preparing for appearing in the exam of Federal Public Service Commission, Punjab Public Service Commission, Sindh Public Service Commission, KP Public Service Commission, or in India, if you are preparing yourself for SSC, JE, RRB, and similar nature of exams. So these videos would definitely help you. You have to follow and you have to share them with your colleagues and friends so that they could also get an idea that what we are covering. So thank you very much for your support, and good luck.